These athletes didn't just play for fame or money. They used their success to make the world better. Before we start, please subscribe if you believe kindness is the real greatness. Marcus Rashford helped feed millions of children in the UK during lockdown. Mo Salah built schools and hospitals back in Egypt, helping entire villages. Didier Drogba used football to unite his country and end civil conflict in Ivory Coast. Roger Federer created a foundation that sends African children to school. Rafael Nadal opened academies giving poor kids a chance to study and train. LeBron James built a school for underprivileged kids in his hometown of Akron. Stephen Curry funds literacy programs and helps students across America. Dirk Nowitzki donates to hospitals and supports families in need. Michael Phelps raises awareness about mental health and supports young athletes. Usain Bolt gives back to Jamaica through youth sports and school funding. Eliud Kipchoge supports education and environmental projects in Kenya. Simone Biles speaks about mental health and inspires millions worldwide. Serena Williams fights for women's rights and funds schools in Africa. Novak Djokovic helps poor children in Serbia through education programs. Manny Pacquiao built homes and donated millions to families in the Philippines. Muhammad Ali fought for peace, equality, and helped countless people in silence. Lionel Messi funds hospitals and medical care for children around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo donates millions to hospitals and children's charities globally. Jackie Joyner-Kersee empowers young people through education and leadership. Ibtihaj Muhammad promotes inclusion and women's empowerment in sports. Tim Tebow helps children with disabilities through his foundation. Tom Brady supports youth education and health programs. Lewis Hamilton advocates for equality and environmental protection. Roberto Clemente lost his life delivering aid to earthquake victims in Nicaragua. Kylian Mbappé gives all his national team earnings to children's charities. Conor McGregor funded hospitals and housing projects for struggling families. And Yuzuru Hanyu donated his prize money to rebuild Japan after deadly earthquakes. These athletes showed us that real greatness isn't just about winning medals. It's about using your success to lift others. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and share, because these are the stories worth remembering.